Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the river. My name is David Kraus. Today we're going after some beautiful Michigan brown trout. It's a nice day. It's mid-August here. It's pretty warm today, but we got a little bit of fresh rain, so water temps are about perfect for trout fishing. So we're going to go see if we can catch some browns. Got him! Oh, that was so cool. Oh, that was so cool. Yes. Absolutely smoked it. That was such a cool chase down hit. When they lock onto something that they want, man, that's a cool thing. This guy's got a ton of energy, so that's good. It's a nice young buck here. Little scar inside of the head there from my hook. He'll be fine. Swim off. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. Oh man, the mosquitoes are everywhere. So check this out. Oh, mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are so bad. That's from Outdoor Professionals, a company out of Wisconsin makes these. I think to have it shipped to me, everything included, it ended up being like 30 bucks with shipping and taxes and everything, but it's kind of a cool little gadget. You can be hands-free, that way I can have my net, I can hold my net in my one hand, and then with my other hand I can have pliers and be dealing with the fish. So I'm always, whenever I catch fish, I'm just trying to find a spot to put my rod. I'm usually just chucking it on the bank. You get sand in your reel, and that's the first fish I've caught using that thing. I really like it. So let's go see if we can catch some more fish. How is this fish still on here? Got it. Whew. Wow. Talk about up close and personal. Was not expecting that. Oh, what a beautiful fish. Easy. He's ready to go, I know that. Those bright red spots. See ya. That was cool. Well, as you guys might have noticed, I am fishing shallow runs with really tight cover, lots of downs. That seems to be where the fish are, at least the feeding fish. They seem to be up in this shallower water. That was a pretty crazy bite. That was on a Rapala Countdown 7. And I pulled the back hook off and put on a hook that's got some red and it's a little bit dressed up. Just a little bit different look on that back hook. Hook's got a little bent, so I'll bend them back and we're good to go. Look at that roll, man. Awesome. Nice young buck right there. Long fish, long skinny fish. I don't know if that's just from the summer and the warmer water, or maybe it's just the long skinny fish, I don't know. We're in mid-August right now. We've had warm temperatures for a long time. Finally got some rain, got a little bit of rain, not a lot. Obviously the water clarity is still super high, but just enough rain that these fish are up and feeding. Water temps came down a little bit. Water's about 62 degrees right now, which is real good. So nice fish there. Let's go see if we can catch a big one. Another big fish in there. Oh, that's a pike. He T-boned it. Ah, don't get that line. Almost in the same hole, just a little bit further up the hole. Line feels good. I don't think you got any nicks in it. The countdown 7 silver is doing some work today. It's catching some fish. Catching some fish. Oh, there's a huge one, huge one. Oh, I hit it twice. Shoot, hit it twice and I spooked it. That was a really big one. Let's see if it'll hit again. Oh, shoot, I don't think it's going to. Oh, yes. Oh, that was cool. That's a big fish, too. The Rapala Countdown size 7, silver. Right back into a little undercut bank. Last time I was on this river, caught a really nice pike right here. Well, that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Deer season is right around the corner, so if you want to watch some of that stuff, hit the subscribe button and follow along with us this fall. I'll see you guys in the next one.